All right, welcome. Math is easy. Step by step. This is part 23, and this is the pause and practice portion where you're going to be practicing on your own. I'll come back and show you the answers step by step, how to get to the answers for this particular problem. If these videos have helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe, so others can gain the knowledge, skills, and abilities to be able to practice math in order to pass some of these standardized assessments like the GED, the General Education Diploma, or the HiSET math portion of these standardized exams. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. All right, so we have the first pause and practice problem is coefficient 8.4 times 10 to the negative 5 divided by 4.0 times 10 to the negative 1 power. Hey, what's that first and second step to solve this problem and find the quotient in scientific notation? All right, so that's step one in solving this problem is to divide the coefficients. So 8.4 divided by 4. I want a number, I'm thinking of a number that I can multiply times 4 that gets me closest to 8 without going over. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 is bigger than 8. That will not work. So I know I'm going to drop it down and I'm going to go 4 times 2. Well, I know 4 times 2 is 8. So I can subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. I'm going to bring down the 4. That's my next target number. Now, don't forget to raise up that decimal right above that divisor bar right there. It stays lined up, okay? And I know 4 times 2 is 8. That's bigger than 4, my target. That's not going to work. I'll drop it down. 4 times 1 is 4. So I'll subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. I have no remainders. My new coefficient is 2.1. Hey, that's step 1. What is step 2 to solve this problem? All right, let's divide these two base 10s with our exponential powers. So 10 to the negative 5 divided by 10 to the negative 1. The rule is when you divide, you subtract. And so when you have a negative and a negative, that makes a positive. So we have negative 5 plus a positive 1. So the power of 10 to the negative 5 plus 1. Hey, you borrow $5. You just gave me $1 back. How much do you still owe me? I'll be right back with that answer. All right, we got a quotient, which is the answer to a division problem for this first pause and practice problem. It is a coefficient of 2.1 times 10 to the negative 4 power. Hey, if I've made a mistake, please DM me and let me know. I am not perfect, and I do absolutely make mistakes. If I've helped you, please help me. Stick around for part 24. I'm going to complete the pause and practice quotient problems and complete this series in part 25 when I go over suggested internet search for worksheets with answers to help strengthen your skills and make you a better math student. Thank you for your time.